Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. Do you have a fan that is wiggling like this? You may also hear some squeaking sound. This squeaking sound is actually the fixation bolts getting eaten away because of this vibration during the rotation. This happens because all the blades are not in the same plane, so this causes center of gravity shift, and with rotation it causes the wiggling. It's very dangerous because the deterioration of the bolts may cause the ceiling fan to fall down eventually. So you have to correct it. This is how the fan should be rotating, no wiggling. This is how to calibrate it. I use a big ruler, an engineering ruler, and I will put it at the motor base itself as a reference. Note how I'm holding the ruler. And I will use this triangle at the tip, and I will measure the distance. If it is the same for all the three blades, then it will be okay, but if it's not the same, you could push it up or down until they are all the same, and that should eliminate your wiggling.